Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicator series. Today we are diving into the BH Ergodic Buy-Sell Indicator, an exclusive tool from MetaTrader that for the first time ever is available also on TradingView. I will show you how to use it effectively and test it across 4,000 trades to see how it performs. Stick around until the end because the results were highly above the average. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. This time, unlike previous episodes, this indicator wasn't suggested by one of our subscribers. Instead, I stumbled upon it while browsing a blog called Indicator Spot. The blog, which shares indicators for MetaTrader, piqued my interest with its detailed description of the BH Ergodic, and I knew we had to put it to the test. So we'll dive deep and see how well this indicator performs across different markets like crypto, Forex and the stock markets. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type BH Ergodic, and the only option you will find is this one coded by me. I didn't publish this indicator on TradingView, but you can also use it and without any costs. You just need to join my Discord community, the link is in the description, head over to the free materials channel and there you will find the code of the BH Ergodic Buy-Sell Indicator. Open up the note, copy the code and then on TradingView click on the Pine editor, then on Open, select New Indicator, paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the Add to Chart option and that's it. Now you have the BH Ergodic indicator on your charts. If you are enjoying this content and finding it helpful, don't forget to like this video. By definition, the BH Ergodic is a technical analysis tool used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market, calculated by smoothing price differences over time with moving averages. When this blue line crosses above the red one, it's a buy signal, and when it crosses below, it's a sell signal. By default, it uses these settings 10, 20, 30 and 25, which are the ones I will use to test this indicator. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the BH Ergodic in addition with a 200 period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2, which will help us set our stop loss levels based on the market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the BH Ergodic on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023. Across a diverse asset portfolio including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test dozens of indicators and strategies in seconds and with real results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my new website AlgoTradePro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's worth checking it out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the BH Ergodic, the 200 period EMA for baseline and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. and since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 3,900 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute one, after more than 1,900 trades, the BH Ergodic got a win rate of 52% with a net profit of 189%. Here we have got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset, where only the Euro-USD pair and the gold assets were unprofitable. Below we have the final equity curve, which was profitable and consistent with a growing tendency, which is always a positive signal in trading. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, the results were very similar, because after 1,900 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 52.62% and a net profit of 230%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset, and as expected, the equity chart that was quite efficient as well. Finally, in the daily time frame, after 87 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 56.32% and a net profit of 21%. Overall, based on this backtest, we can see that the BH Ergodic indicator performed quite well, especially in the 30-minute and 1-hour time frames. Its consistency across different time frames and markets is a good indicator of its robustness. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings, or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. After evaluating the BH Ergodic alongside other indicators in this series, I have decided to place it in the 3rd position of our ranking table, which is very good and proves that this indicator can give us results well above the average. This updated table is also available for free on my website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit, and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work one-on-one with me, you can explore my services on my website as well. Lastly, I would like to share with you that for trading and investments I use XTB, which offers fantastic advantages like 0 commissions up to $100,000 of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.